Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduction me, Nisa Nur Azizah from PAI Department. Here I will explain about the strategy of reading comprehension. What is reading comprehension? Comprehension is the process of understanding text, spoken, written, and or visual. Comprehension is an active and complex process that encompasses 1. Simultaneously extracting and constructing meaning from text. 2. Enabling readers to derive meaning from text when they engage in international problem-solving and thinking process. 3. Applying social, cultural, and intellectual layers upon text to infer meaning from it. The 7 essential reading comprehension strategies. 1. Monitoring. Essentially, the monitoring comprehension strategy requires us to pay close attention and observe not only the text we are reading, but our own thought about an observation on the text too. The earliest method of employing the strategy is most often reading aloud. Encourage interactivity while doing this. Do this encourages your to read with partners to ask questions of each other and to draw and write about what they read. This encourages to think constantly about their reading and their comprehension of it. Number 2. Visualizing. Visualization involves the construction of mental image with the purpose of drawing meaning from a text. When engaged in visualization, will form pictures in your mind of what or have read as they read it. Visualization is actually about engaging with more than just our sense of sight. Students who are adept at using this strategy will not only make mental image in their mind, but they conjure up in their imagination the smell, sound, feel, and taste of what they read to. Start by reading a family story. We should read a stanza or to begin with. Draw a picture in your mind as we read it. We have continued in this way until the kid finishes its part. 3. Activating the comprehension strategy encourages to make connection between what we are reading and our experiences. The more broad knowledge they have in any given area, the better able they be comprehend what they read. This strategy begins even before the book is opened. First, ask the student to preview the book. Examine the cover and discuss what they see there. Flip through the pages of the book together and read the blurb on the back. Discuss with the student what they think the book might be about based on their observation. 4. Questioning. This comprehension strategy encourages to be critical about what we read as well as help to develop our own sense of curiosity. It will provide them with purpose and focus for their reading. In this strategy, students will ask questions for several reasons, including to clarify meaning, what does this word mean, why did that happen, to understand the event and character better, why did she do that, what would happen if, and to understanding the right purpose, why did they write that. 5. Inspiring. Using this strategy requires the student to become something of a textual detective. It helps students to understanding things that are not made explicit in the text, rather than simply relying on what the writer has articulated directly in the text. Inspiring meaning requires the student to look for clues to figure out the meaning behind the text. This demands critical thinking on the part of the student and pushes the student to a higher level of comprehension. Some useful props for encouraging inference include: what's really going on here? How do you think the character feels? Why do you think that happened? How do you think now that? What clues led you to that conclusion? 6. Summarizing. Summarizing means retell the story of information in the text read and there onward. To do this successfully, we need to able to pull out the main points of the text and express this in our own words. To summarize effectively, we must express in the gist of the text. This requires us to identify the essential idea and consolidate the most important elements of the text that support this idea. 7. Determining importance. We need to learn to constitutionally prioritize the information that they come across when reading. And the determining importance, read comprehension strategy. Students look for clue in the text to help them sort the bits of information in text into a hierarchy of relative value. With practice and overtime practice, reader development competency in danger of strategies that they can alternative that when to unclog the meaning of when the most opaque of text. That's my explanation. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.